Alright, it's Sunday, about 2:45 in the afternoon. Been here since 10 this morning, working on this. Is one for, the second one for Markworth Toyota. Finished the boat up Saturday morning, and it's turned out pretty good. There's still, you guys saw that spot earlier. I did a close-up of it. But, that sealant stuff still shows up. Wish I could have got all that off. Bottom's pretty decent. So the white turned out pretty good too. So $420 it come to about, so I think he'll be happy. Got all the mildew off up there. There's some dirt up there. I don't know. I called them Friday at like 2 o'clock. Told them it wouldn't be done because we had kind of a freak rainstorm, and then so I told him it'd be ready after 10. So it's gotten rained on, a little streakage, but not much I can do. I'm not gonna keep cleaning it every day. But yeah, Tilden Towing, they dropped Friday, dropped 2 of them off, this minivan and the Mariner. So I got the Mariner done pretty much yesterday. Had to do final vacuum this morning. But this one's in pretty rough shape, but it's turned out pretty good. Just for a bronze, no polish wax. So kind of overspray of some kind. And got this one to work on, but I don't know when I'm going to get to it. Just really busy. And what I do this last week,
John here with Schematic of Western Wisconsin. When summer storms damage your home, allow us to restore your life. Call Schematic for emergency restoration services and let us get you back to your summertime fun. 715-834-8822.
yeah, I had a bronze detail with a wax, and then the boat, well, so I washed the boat Tuesday. It took me all day to wash it. I stayed up late Tuesday night and slept in Wednesday till about noon. Then I had to go get that van. I had to go get that van about 3 o'clock. And then got here at about 5 o'clock. They dropped off the BMW at 6 o'clock. Worked on it all night till about 6 in the morning. It was a gold, but the outside was in such bad shape I didn't have time to buff, polish, and wax. The inside was really dirty. So, but he was really happy with it. I just charged him $80 for a bronze detail. And then he's going to reschedule to get the outside. He was really happy. I did his construction truck a while back, so he knows I do. I wanted to do good work. But of course, I thought the bolt was going to be, 150 to 200 in one day job. So, I was up from 12 till 6, and then 6:30 I got a half hour till they picked it up at 7 in the morning. Laid back down about 7:30. Kevin and Courtney showed up about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yeah, it was about 10 o'clock. I woke up for a little bit, and then they started cleaning the inside of the boat while I slept for a little bit. And then my mom and dad come over to look at the van about noon, 12:30. So, you know, I got like an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then I was out for an hour, and then got like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then my mom and dad got up. Then I started working finishing up working on the boat. Worked on it late, you know, 7 o'clock, and then started on again Friday morning. Worked on all day Friday. Pretty much got done Friday, actually. And Courtney was here Friday, and she vacuumed that Mountaineer. And then Saturday, me and Max, it's my dad's cousin Mike, his youngest son. So he helped me Saturday, finished up that Mountaineer, or Mariner. And then he was here today for about 3 hours, helped me vacuum this, and I still got a tornado tool it, get it done, and clean all the glass inside and out, wash the outside, polish, wax it, and hopefully, it'll be ready to go Monday morning. Tilden's supposed to be picking up that Mariner. He's driving another vehicle over here, taking the Mariner back. So that was last week. So then this week is here, the Tilden Auto. Monday I got a gold detail. Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be another RV job. Don't know what I'm doing, inside, outside, have no clue. So, you know, those I pretty much have no energy by the end of the day to work on a dealer car. So Thursday, I'll try and work on a Mark Work car. The next one they drop off after this one. And hopefully then they can pick that up Friday morning. But they have a chainsaw competition thing. And it was actually on that chainsaw show, the chainsaw carver that was out west. He actually came to the competition here in Eau Claire. That was pretty cool. And so we're going to go to that for a little bit. A couple hours. It's the free day. Otherwise, the other days you got to pay to get in. So we're just going to go on the free day. And then I got a pop-up camper to do, so that's going to probably take me Friday and Saturday to do. That's full clean and waterproof, and then wax the outside of it. So, yeah. So then that's probably going to be, Saturday, Sunday. Maybe I can get Max here again, or Courtney here again to work on a vehicle, a dealer vehicle for Tilden, to get those out of here too. Oh, it's just crazy. And then I got that decal removal, one I did on the 11th and 12th. I got to polish and wax that, or wax it. Well, wet sand it probably, and then buff it all out. Wednesday, got a Grand Prix 4-door headlight restoration, polish and wax. So then I got the 15th. So I'm booked until 13th, the 15th. I'm going to take the 14th off. Got another one on the 23rd. But, yeah. It's been crazy. So, I don't know what else to talk about, I guess. I'm gonna probably, it's about a 10-minute video, so that's long enough. I know some of my videos get kind of long and kind of boring because they stop talking or something. So, but yeah, thanks for all the congratulations I got so far, and hopefully, yeah, I keep this Toyota account happy and they keep sending me. That'd be nice if I can get. I gotta get these done sooner in a week. That Mariner I didn't make crap on. I only made like $30 on it after I paid Max and Courtney to help me, but oh well, you know. So yeah, everybody have a good one.